Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of November, and in the world of planning, in the mind of a planner, October has come and gone, and it is officially time to start planning for the month of November. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. I just want to say that I am super excited for fall to be here. I come alive in the month of September, really, but definitely for the next following months and for Q4, essentially, because I'm obsessed with fall. So let's talk about what is going to be happening in today's video. So, first of all, first things first, I am going to be using a paper planner. I am technically what you call a hybrid planner. And so I'm 100% using a hybrid system for Q4. So I am hopping into my full focus planner, which you just saw, and more on that in a minute, because I purchased this planner last year, but I never got around to using it because I bought an iPad and then I dove headfirst into the world of digital planning, which I'm pretty sure I will return to in January. However, I did want to go ahead and use this planner. It is a goal planner, a monthly planner, a weekly planner, a daily planner, a full focus planner. It's everything all wrapped up into one. And since it's undated, since it's a 3-month planner, I felt like there was no better time to start using the planner or try out the planner or officially use the planner, um, except for today. So I guess I could have sold it, but I really did purchase it because I really liked it. So yeah, a year later, we are diving into this planner. I did do a full blown kind of flip through setup review situation that I already put up on my channel a few videos back. So check out that if you're interested. But furthermore, that's the planner system that we are going to be using. And I do always reference my Google Calendar because that is almost like the meat and bones and how I kind of stay productive or stay functional and be wherever I'm supposed to be. So let's talk a little bit about this planner. I did add some sticky notes to the back front cover of the planner, and I just put like 3 or 4 sticky notes from this actual pad, and I just slapped them right to the back cover, and that's how I have a little notes pad dashboard situation. And I did get this bookmark from a planner meetup that I went to yesterday, actually. So you guys will see more of that in my October vlog, part 2, if you want to check out, the event and whatever. It was Bridgerton themed. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't even know what Bridgerton is. I have no idea, but I go to every one of the events that they hold. So I just went, theme or not, doesn't matter to me. I just love being in the building. It's such a fun time. So I will have the group link down below if you're interested in attending any of the ones moving forward. You can pretty much bet that I'm going to be there. And we have, I think she's an admin still, named Jane, and she does lettering and stuff. So I asked her if she could letter in my planner. I mean, I guess I didn't think that she was going to go to the extreme that she went to. I wouldn't have just asked her to do that at the event. I just thought that it was going to be like a little calligraphy type of, like a quick thing. I realized after she finished it, I was like, wow, that was a lot of work. But anyway, I did go to that recently, and I got a few new things, such as this pouch. And so it's like I don't know, it has some kind of mechanism where it kind of folds down on itself, and then it's like a cute little cup situation, and you put pins and things in it. So I'm excited to be the proud owner of one of these. I didn't have to pay for it technically because we all had table gifts. There were sponsored tables. So I sat at the table with a bunch of things to include this particular little pouch because I knew that I wanted one. Also, by the way, you guys, make sure that you're using both sides to your mild liners. Some folks don't know that mild liners are double-ended, and you should know that there is, like a highlighter tip and then like a pen tip or marker tip. So you got to make sure you're using both sides. And I recently picked up a neutral pack, which I'm obsessed with, and I haven't bought writing utensils in over a year. So it was just weird to even purchase those, but I recently got some and I'm super excited about it. I am going in with my stickers to date this planner. So the planner does not have any dates. It does, it's an undated planner. So you essentially start it whenever you want to start it. Again, it is a quarterly planner. So in my head, it makes sense to use it January, February, March, at the beginning of each specific quarter of the year. So I went in with one of my black scripts, and my Etsy shop is still open at the filming of this video. So if you would like to purchase those or anything that's within the shop, feel free. Of course, we all know my days on Etsy are coming to an end. So if you want to grab something, definitely feel free. I do have these stickers here from Fancy Budgeting. I will have her website linked down below, or their website linked down below. And these stickers just worked perfectly for these little squares. They are transparent anyway, so it wouldn't have mattered. But I did use those stickers to date the planner. And now I'm just going in with some of those stickers that I had purchased from the sticker book that I had purchased from Hobby Lobby. I got it on sale. I think it was $8.99 regular price, so I got it 50% off. So you can do the math there. I did pay, like $4 and some change, 450-ish for that little sticker book, and it's seasonal. So I do love that, because there are little stickers in there, for Christmas and Thanksgiving and spring and fall and Valentine's Day, New Year's, all the things. So I don't know if they still sell it. I got it years ago, but if they do, it's a good little sticker book to have, I would like to think. Plus, in this planner, the stickers actually came up. So whenever you can remove stickers from a page or a piece of paper, that is like chef's kiss, because sometimes the two do not agree depending on the type of sticker, the type of adhesive, the type of paper. So that's why I'm kind of putting emphasis on that particular sticker book. So what we're going to be doing is just planning out the month of November. I will not be putting any of my meetings in here. I do work in public education. I attend a lot of meetings, specifically IEP meetings, 504 meetings of the sort. I'm not putting in any for November, only because they change so much. Like, it's kind of wild to me that I could get an invite and then it could be canceled and changed and rearranged like 11 times. So I'm just not even going to put it in my planner, because what I've decided with this planner specifically is that I'm just going to put in plans that are essentially solidified. So November the 3rd, we have a wedding anniversary, and we're going to go out of town on November the 4th and spend the weekend away. We're going to go to a city that we've gone to multiple times, but we've never stayed overnight. We've never really explored it. So we're going to like really explore it. I'm talking stay in a hotel and only kind of stay in that area. We don't plan to venture, just park our car and that be that. So I'm excited about that. Also, early voting ends on November the 4th. So I wanted to notate that. And then I highlighted I guess it's like, what color do you call that? It's like a light brown. I highlight it on every Wednesday and every Saturday, because I like to try to upload midweek and then on the weekend. If something happens on Saturday, if I don't have the video prepared by Saturday, I'll likely have it prepared by Sunday. Hence the reason why you guys are going to be getting this video. Like, that's the reason I'm putting out this video, because I do always know if Saturdays aren't looking too good, if filming, I try to film ahead, but if I can't, then, there's always Sunday, even though I try not to do anything social media related or side hustle related on the weekends. There is always still the weekends to do things if I'm not prepared throughout the week. But I do try to get my filming done throughout the week, but it doesn't always happen because I have other stuff to do, like go to work, come home, cook, clean, take care of the dog, hang with my husband, hang with friends and loved ones, and do other random things. But I am same thing with my videos. I do try to, I fully have, I think I have my videos technically planned out until the end of the year, if I'm being honest. But sometimes I change the order, and sometimes I change the day, or, like I might switch it up a little bit. So therefore I only went ahead and planned for the first 2 videos of October, like as far as putting them in my planner, because I know that October video will drop because I'm already recording it, because it's a vlog. So I've been recording all month. And then, well, the second half of the month. And then that next video, I already know that's solidified as well. So I'm just kind of putting in those 2. And then each week or whatever, I'll actually write in. Of course, you can always use a pencil in your planner if you don't want to have these types of problems, which aren't really problems, but I just choose to use a pen. By the way, I'm using a Sharpie S Gel, which is chef's kiss, not only in this planner, but just in life in general. I love a black pen. I love a gel pen. I love a chic looking pen. I love a black pen. I love everything about a Sharpie S Gel, but most importantly, it is quick drying. So if you're a lefty, you might want to get into it. If you're not a lefty, you still might want to get into it, because the pen dries really fast, depending on the type of paper. This is like a toothy type of paper, so it kind of just, soaks it right up real quick. So highly recommend. What else is happening? I have a lot of financial social work events happening in November. I am a financial social worker, and so I do like help facilitate a lot of the events that we have under the umbrella of the Center for Financial Social Work. So uh, there's that. I'll have information about that linked down below. I am on the advisory committee and all of that fun stuff. So I'll have that information linked below. And speaking of social worker, I am taking my clinical exam for my independent licensure in November. So send your girl well wishes. If all goes well, I will be licensed at the highest level and the clinical level, the independent level. And even if all doesn't go well and I fail, I'll just take it again. Doesn't matter. Like, I don't care to, I mean, I'm going to keep doing it until I get it right. So, but I'm just saying that's a huge thing happening in the month of November because that would essentially be the finale for my career. Like, I don't imagine I will ever need to go back to school or anything. And even if I did go back to school, my licensure would still, I'd still be at the highest level, the independent level for licensure. So my license would never change. I could just get another degree, like a doctorate or something, if that makes sense. But over to the right, I'm just writing in essentially some things that I want to schedule and some like super important projects in the month of October. I did write in like random projects, like home projects and things like that, kind of like goals essentially, but I didn't want to do that in November. I just wanted to write in things that I still needed to schedule and just like those types of things. If you want to learn more about my October goals, then come back in about a week for my November reset routine where I recap October and plan for November. And I'll be sharing my goals and whatnot in that video. So do check it out if you're interested. But you guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to leave them down below and let me know so I can address them. But I'm pretty sure I addressed everything. I will have links to everything linked down below. Yeah, links down below in the description box. And right now, what I'm doing is just wrapping up my planner. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, we do have fall break, of course, or Thanksgiving break, my husband and me, because we both work in education. So that was a major thing. And I'm going to Jacksonville to visit my friend in a couple weeks. So that was major. But that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you are seeing. And I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video, aka my November budget video. Bye, guys.